back in my YouTube channel. Good afternoon everybody. So I guess by now you know what's going on here. um you know what, look at this, guys. You see what you have here? collegehunks.com. collegehunks.com. And there's their number, guys. If you're moving, please reach out to these young men. They are not just college hunks, but they're very professional. They came in and they are doing what they do well. So guys, if you need to live in the city area or you need to get some things going, they even have what they call like a junk truck. I can't see the truck too well. And the sun is, but it's the same thing, guys. And what they do is, as they're moving your stuff, what they do, they also will collect anything that you're throwing out. So they come with two trucks. That one to collect the junk you're throwing out, and then this one to take out your personal items. So this is your girl, Miss Bev, guys. And again, you know that it's no secret. In a few months, I will be somewhere else. So I'm just sharing with you. I'm telling you that the experience is great. They were a little late today because they had to work to do a late thing with another person. But I was patient. And so far, very respectful, very decent. And they're college hunks. They're collegehunks.com. 860-207-8353. Check them out, guys.